Hello, I am Kishore Bolaste as the Head of Business Development Department at Sabiocorp, a leading manufacturer of defense and aerospace components. I understand the unique challenges our industry faces, managing complex process flow, ensuring interdepartmental coordination, and maintaining the real-time visibility across the manufacturing cycle are often tedious and time-consuming. These challenges frequently led to delays in project execution and created bottlenecks in timely deliveries. Implementing New Horizon ERP from Sourcepro Infotech Private Limited has been a transformative step for us. By seamlessly integrating critical functions from sales till invoicing, the system has streamlined our operations and provided end-to-end visibility. The auto show feature, a particular, has been a game changer. It enables quick release of work order and purchase order while ensuring that every subsequent activities in the project execution cycle is efficiently tracked. This proactive capability has helped us to overcome the shortages, optimize the resource utilization, and most importantly, deliver the orders on time. We greatly value Sourcepro Infotech Private Limited for their robust ERP solution and a dedicated support. Their system has not only resolved our project tracking challenges, but has also significantly boosted overall business efficiency. I strongly recommend Sourcepro ERP to organizations seeking a reliable and effective solutions to enhance their operations.